This is a microphone system I'm actually really excited to see. So it's the DJI Mic Mini 2, and you can see it's got a transparent design on the mic systems there, but you can actually change out for different colors from what I've seen. So can't wait to actually see it myself in person and to show you what you can expect from this mic system, the DJI Mic Mini 2. Alright, so let's get in here and see how it's all packaged. Okay, so it looks like it comes with a bag, and as always, paperwork and some stickers, which we will push across to the side. And here's the bag here. Okay. So it looks a little bit bigger from what I can see over the previous model, which is nice to see. It just says DJI on the front here. And it looks like, ooh, we can see those colors straight away. We've also got some cables, and then we've got the charging case, and I like that. It's a nice bag, really spacious bag. Lots of different side slots here. Oh, there's even more tucked away in here actually. Let's just make sure we've got everything out. So yeah, little sections in here for additional storage, and that's actually where they had some of the magnets. Then there's a little zip at the back here actually. Let's have a look. Yep, nothing in that section, but there is another little compartment, so a really nice bag. Alright, let's just put that there so you can still see that. This is what was tucked away, so it looks like just the standard black DJI front plates if you want to go with those. There are the magnets there as well. We've seen those before. So let's have a little look. I don't know where to start. Let's just start here, I guess. I'm just curious to see what's included in this kit. Alright, so just a straight, very standardized USB-C to USB-C. Then we've got the audio cable there, the 3.5mm jack that you're going to be plugging in potentially to your camera system. There's that. Let's have a look at some of these colors. Oh, it comes in a cool little case. That's clean, look at that. So it just says DJI on the front. Oh yeah, cool. And there are the color options. Pink all the way up to purple. We've got blues, we've got greens, yellows, oranges. Super vibrant. And just means that you can have a lot more personality in your videos. To be able to have those colors and to match it up with the outfit you're wearing, for example. Then we've got just the standard black ones here. Ooh, a little tricky to get into. Here we go. Alright, I don't know why these are packaged separately. But anyway, there's the standard black ones. That's just if you want a similar look, and there's two slots here. Perfectly prepared for those black ones once you've unboxed it. Then here are the magnets, which we will need to mount it onto a shirt. There we go. And as always, like honestly, these magnets are so strong. Like they're really, really strong. They always have been from DJI. But yeah, never have issues, even with thick clothing. It's never an issue. Alright, let's move everything across so we can get to the main piece now. So we will probably need those magnets very soon. This is the charging case. I really like this design. It's just a USB-C on the back there. You just plug it in and it charges up everything that's inside. Or it charges up the case, sorry, and then the case can charge everything inside. There you go. So it just says Mini 2 up here, which we can see. Nothing else on the case. We have obviously the lights here, which will indicate how much charge. So there's only got one, so we'll need to charge this whole case up. And then the case can charge everything else inside. So let's just move everything so we can see it all nicely here. Perfect. Alright, I might actually just move these off to the side. Great. So this is the case. We've got the windshield's already on. that's the look of it there. That's what you can expect. Really clean design actually. I like that just as a default color. And then this clip system comes off, so you can just remove that, and then you just have a magnet, for example. So it depends what you want. The magnets obviously can just, well, not obviously, but you can just use those interchangeably, and then at any point you just store them here. Oh, very strong, as I told you. Good luck. Boom, there we go, perfect. And then you got the spot for the cable as well, so we can put that cable in there, which I'll do later. There we go. So it comes like that with the clip, everything ready to go. Then we've got the receiver here, which is pretty standard. We saw something like this previously from DJI, but very nice design. Really nice tactile adjustment on the side there. We've got 1 and 2, so you can receive 2 signals, 2 microphones. Linking button on the side, the jack as well, so we can just plug that straight in like that, and then plug it into the camera, for example. So that's that. We've got a covered USB-C on the back here, the pins, which is how it connects up and charges, and then removable section here, so we can put in, like this guy here, like a USB-C, for example. That will just slide down that way, I believe. I actually don't know. Maybe this way. Oh no, it'll be this way. There we go. Yep, so that just slides in. Then you've got a USB-C to plug it into really any other device, phone, whatever it may be. Yeah, so there you go, that's that, and then you obviously put the cover back on. Let's have a look at some of these colors, because we've seen those. Well, we've seen that before, a receiver like that. I like how they've got a little bit of the details here to explain, yeah, how it all works, how to link it and whatnot. That's always such a clean design from DJI. Alright, let's have a look now at some of these colors. I actually really like those just as a standard. I know I said that before, but I was expecting it to be a different color. Alright, so let's put on some varied colors here. Let's put on a pink, let's put on a blue, put on the green, let's put on the purple. Let's have a little look. So it just, oh yeah, it just magnetically connects on like that. It's not the strongest fit. You can just, let me just remove this. I actually don't know how to remove these new ones. Oh yeah, they just pull off. That's a different design actually, I like that. Yeah, it just clips on like so. But yeah, this is just how it connects. It just magnetically connects on like so. You can layer it. I watched a video where you can, why would you, but you can multi-layer it. And that's what it looks like. How cool is that? That is just such a unique way to present your microphone. How cool. Love that. So at any point you just go, nah, I don't want that. I'm wearing a blue shirt today. Let's go with a blue one. And boom. You got blue and green, you're ready to go. Love that so much. So there you go. That's the Mic Mini 2 system. They've done a great job here. And just to check, so it doesn't connect with those magnetic covers. So it has to be like that for it to connect, and then you have to put everything back after you've used it. But that's fine, because you get the bag, you get all the carrying case and whatnot. So yeah, really, really cool. Love the charging case. That's what you can expect from the Mic Mini 2.